I'm close to me. Okay.
Damn.
Please, excuse me, Miss Davis, you in court. You in court. Everyone, please remain quiet until your name is called. Everyone, please remain quiet and turn on your video. Everyone, please remain quiet and turn on your video. Miss Robertson, turn on your video.
Okay.
I don't see you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mm,
Can you see?
okay, and please remain quiet, please.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping, driving, talking to your family members. Please eliminate all noise devices. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full attention to the court. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Mr. Rossi. We'll start with, were there any in particular you want to start with, or just, you want me to just call them?
You can just go ahead and call him, Your Honor.
Okay, this is the people versus, I think it's Samantha Roberson, ticket number P1336531. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, disregard signal red or amber. Good morning, good afternoon, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Samantha Roberson. Say your name, Ms. Roberson.
Samantha Roberson.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Roberson's entering a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Okay, raise your right hand, Ms. Roberson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
A jury trial. I mean, I never did this before, so I don't know which way to go.
I said, do you understand you have the right to have a jury trial?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you if you're willing to waive your right to having a jury trial and have a bench trial. A bench trial is when the court would decide if you're responsible or guilty or not. Do you
Okay.
understand? Okay, so
Yes.
do you wish to waive your right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Okay, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive
No.
your right? You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder, meaning the court will be the ones that determines if you're guilty or not. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so the court is gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for October 13th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
October 13th.
At 9 o'clock.
Okay. What do I have to come back to Zoom, or how does that go?
It's on Zoom, same information.
Okay.
All right. Any other questions?
No, that's it.
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you very much.
This is the people versus Lateef Davis.
Your Honor, she's still trying to send her documentation in. Can we call her last?
Sure. This is the people versus Ronald Rice. Ticket number.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, ticket number P1291861. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number P1291857. Count 1, disregard red flash or arrow. Good morning, please say your afternoon, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ronald Rice.
Mr. Rice, say your name.
Ronald Rice, Ronald Jerome Rice.
Your Honor, Mr. Rice is entering a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Mr. Rice, raise your right hand.
I got it raised.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I swear before God.
Okay. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, I do.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
Yes, I am, Your Honor, for a bench trial.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right?
No, ma'am.
So you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set up for a bench trial for October 13th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
You said October 13th
Yes, sir.
at 9 o'clock. All right.
Thank
No
you.
question. Thank you.
All right, good luck. All right, this is People versus Dewan Dickerson, ticket number P129045, count 1, drove while license not valid, license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, improper plates, ticket number P12905571, count 1, improper address license, and count 2, expired plate. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroka.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Dewan Dickerson. Or Dixon, I'm sorry.
Say
Dickerson.
your name, Mr. Dickerson.
Dewan Dickerson.
Your Honor, Mr. Dickerson has showed me a valid insurance registration and a driver's license, a new license with this address, current address. I'm moving for dismissal of all matters.
What? Even the civil infractions?
The civil infraction is the,
Yeah, and the improper address on the
yes,
license.
he's corrected that.
Okay, all right, you stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Dickerson.
Thank you. Okay, you guys have a good one. Be safe.
Say that one more time.
You should have a blessed and peaceful day.
Is that what he said? Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the People versus Latricia Davis, ticket number P13399213, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, disregard signal red or amber. Good afternoon, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Ms. Davis.
Davis, say your name.
Latricia Davis.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Davis is entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a pretrial date.
All right, she can come back on August 31st at 8:35.
You got that, Ms. Davis?
Is it possible if it can be later? If not, I no choice to do that date.
I mean, later in the month or in the time of day?
The time of day, only because I have to drop the kids off at school.
It's 8:35.
If not, I'll make it work.
No, make it work. I mean, if you're, I don't say this to everyone, but if you show up a little tardy, you should be fine. Just don't show up at like
Okay.
10 o'clock or 10:30 or anything, but you should be okay. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do the best that you can to, be as timely, but I understand.
Mhm.
All right, so you're all set.
Thank you.
All right, this is the People versus Nakia Davis Thomas, ticket number P134366. P13433868. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Ticket number P13433758. Count 1, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner, and count 2, no valid registration. Good afternoon, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of the defendant.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Nakia Davis Thomas, hyphenated Thomas.
Your Honor, she's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Davis Thomas. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Okay, you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Does anyone force you or promise you anything of value in exchange
No.
for to
No,
waive your
ma'am.
right? All right, you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so the court is gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for October 14th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
Only question I have is, can I show proof of the license and the registration or no?
The
I
offer
can't
will,
stay 'cause I'm at work, but
the offer will remain open, so if you have anything to show or if you have anything to show that you have valid registration or insurance, I would for sure bring it. And I'm sure the prosecutor will take that into account.
okay, so I come into the office or into the court where I'm in Zoom.
No, you can do it on Zoom, and you can
Oh.
email it, you can email it to the prosecutor. If you have a pen, I can give you her email address.
Oh, hold on 1 second, please.
Your phone.
I'm ready.
Her email address is HORNETOM, as in Mary, Horn, Tom, it's at DetroitMI.gov. So read it back to me and let me make sure you have that on.
I don't have it.
The hard one.
HORNE is all I have so far at Detroit MI. I don't have the full last name. I'm sorry. I apologize.
It's okay. It's Horn Tom, TOM.
Oh,
Horn,
okay, so HORNTOL at Detroit MI dot, what'd you say, .org?
.gov, but it's
.gov.
yes, it's HORNETOM.
HORNETOL at DetroitMI.gov.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
He had another ticket in there.
Oh, okay. Ms. Soroki, I'm gonna recall DeJuan Dickerson's people. You're all set, Ms. Davis Thomas.
Thank you. Have a good day.
This is People versus DeJuan Dickerson, ticket number P1270162, count 1, improper plates, count 2, no proof of insurance, count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ms. Soroki, you can say your name for the record, but you also indicated that you saw his insurance registration and he's cleared everything up.
That's correct, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki, behalf of Mr. Dickerson, I did view his documents. I move for dismissal of the additional matters and waive my client's appearance.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, did Ms. Davis send you her stuff yet?
Yes, we're all set on that.
This is the People versus Latisse Davis, ticket number P1344779, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count.
Yes, this is Latisse Davis.
I'm sorry, let me start all over again. This is ticket number, People versus Latisse Davis, ticket number P1344779, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, expired plates. And count 3, no proof of insurance. Good afternoon. Please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, behalf of Ms. Davis.
Davis, say your name.
Latisse Davis.
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to view Ms. Davis's documents. She provided insurance registration and driver's license. I believe they're all valid. I move for dismissal.
All right, these matters, you stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Davis. Good luck to you now.
Thank you very much.